What up, what up? It's your boy Mr. Gentleman T himself, and welcome to Everyday FX Teachings. Yes, without any further ado, I know guys, I know I fucked up. I know I've been absent. It's the stages, guys. This load shedding thing is killing us. So without any further ado, before I dive straight into the charts, go press that like button, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so that you're notified every day I drop. So guys, first pair of the day is our USDCAD. I know since our last analysis, guys, but everything played out exactly how I wanted it to. Remember, my last analysis was somewhere right here. My areas giving us higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And then finally it came to this area, which is something we wanted until we saw the markets shooting all the way to the downside. So I did get this buy. Okay, first let me highlight this. Right. Okay. Okay. So this was very super clean, guys. I hope people did eat. This continuation pattern right there, I did get a buy all the way to our TP, which was super nice and simple. Yes, I caught that buy and then took it all the way to our TP. And then when it got there, saw this rejection candle and then went down to our 15-minute chart. Went down to our 15-minute chat. So they make the area giving us a first touch here, second touch here, and then with this double top right here, I placed my sell. I placed my sell exactly right there. Man, what do you do? Placed my sell exactly right there. That was my confirmation. First touch, second touch, giving us a nice bearish impulse to the downside, caught it all the way to this TP here, which was the area where it first took off. So something nice right now. What we're seeing a very nice uh, bearish movement all the way down, guys. We're looking to see it go all the way down. Already, I'm in profit with this pair, and I'm looking to catch it all the way down. I'm looking to catch it all the way down. You can see how it nicely played out. Very nice. This is a very nice movement. I had this support trend line right here, giving us a correction to the upside, and then broke the correction. Hasn't really came back to test it, but gave us an indecision. And then I placed my entry. My stop is way up there, so that if it does manage to break in the trend line and go back in the trend line, then I'm out. I know this is a different movement. And then I saw it nicely touching the trend line and coming back down. And when it rejected, I placed my entry exactly there, tapped me in, and then going all the way to the downside. Super nice and simple on USD CAD. Moving on to GBPUSD. Also very nice on GBPUSD. Nothing too complicated. Nothing too complicated on GBPUSD. So what you can see on GBPUSD. Let's wait to see my screen load. Let's wait to see my screen load. So according to GBPUSD, it broke below a very strong support trend line and it turned it into resistance. So we're looking to see this pair going all the way down. but I'm very skeptical about it in terms of my let me go down to 4 hour time frame. I'm very skeptical in terms of not seeing the pair touching my resistant trend line in a bigger channel. So this really puts me at ease as to whether I should enter this sell, catch it all the way down, but seeing it break this support trend line, which is something right here, looking to see it go all the way down. So I've placed my entry exactly here. I know the screen is still loading, but then yeah, gosh, it's taking forever. Okay, all right. Okay, this is what I was talking about, guys. The market not really touching my trend line again. I'm not very happy about that. I'm not very happy. Touched it. First touch here, second touch here. And then instead of it giving us a third touch, it really doesn't give us a third touch. So I'm trying to adjust it, but still there's nothing that says to me, okay, we're ready. But then, because it broke this very strong support trend line, we're looking to see it, and it's correcting all the way up, and then looking to see it move all the way to the downside. Let me go down to my 1 hour time frame. I want you guys to see this clearly. Exactly right there. Same thing on GBPUSD. What you saw on GBP on USDCAD is the same thing on GBPUSD. Guys, to be on the safer side, you can wait for the market to break this trend line, come back, retest it, and place your buys, your sell entries, and then catch it all the way down here, which is fair enough, guys. And then our last and final pair is our USDJPY. Guys, when I get home, I'll definitely give you a nice full analysis. I'm sorry about this. Even on on USDJPY, I'm in profits because we saw USDJPY breaking. I did say the market has to go all the way down. So I'm looking to see the market coming to this area and breaking all in this area because we're going all the way down here. Right? So to make it simple and clean, market came down, broke this area and came down here. I sold a lot of my profits, and now looking to see it testing this area. I wanted to see it continue all the way down here. So this really isn't like something from here. We here deep in blues. I'll keep like 50% of my profits. Dip. See to first thing first. I can say I would close if I see come all the way. I don't want to wait for it to come all the way to our TP. I can simply close when I see, but I'll see in terms of the momentum of how is it moving to the downside. If I see a candle like this breaking this area, then I'll catch it all the way. But if it's still doing this small candles thing weeks going to the downside, I really won't wait for it to get. I'll probably close in this somewhere around this period right here. So last and final pair, USDT. Now I don't think I'll do USDT, guys. And that's it for today's video. Go press that like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment on the section down below. And guys, before I close this session, I want to say to you, as of the 1st of November, I won't only be giving you guys the analysis. I think I'll dive into deep for those beginners and people who are really confused. Uh, I really want to dive into deep and give them the understanding as to what is forex, and then give you guys the basics. You can ask me any questions on the comment section down below, and I'll be free to answer. And I'll do a session in each and every question I'm given. But I want to start first with price action because a lot of people don't understand what really price action is. So, as of the 1st of November, I'll be diving into deep, guys, not only giving analysis. I want to be informative and give you guys something that you go a long run, because I know not everyone who's watching my analysis is at that stage of saying I'm a trader. So yeah, guys, that's what I wanted to say. And without any further ado, it's your boy Mr. Tenement himself, and I'm signing out. Sorry for the noise as well. I'm at work.